What's up, everybody? Yeah. We got a big one today. It's your cousin Hype, and today we got a big unboxing. Here, y'all already know what it is. I was waiting all day to open her up. Apple, they got the gangster, you know what I mean? Making sure you didn't have to buy, you know, a knife or whatever to cut it open. So let's get into it, man. I'm very excited, man. Actually got this here for the wifey because she needed a new device. Ooh, they let you see a little something when you first open it up, you know what I mean? And so we got this color is her color. Woo-wee! And here you have it. This is the MacBook Air version, the new M1 version of the MacBook Air. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, it's the 13-inch. And this is the new color. The new color they have. This is the rose gold or the gold. It's pretty hot. Let's check it out. Big thing about this is the M1 chip, right? So it's basically the game changer. Like, I was done buying MacBooks for the family, honestly, just because the iPad game had got so gangster, man. Like, things you can do on an iPad now, I felt like, you know, there's really no reason to get the MacBook Airs or the MacBook Pros. Now with the M1 chip, they're gonna make all of this, anything you were able to do on the iPad, you're gonna be able to do on the MacBook, which is the only reason we got one right now, to tell you the truth. All right, so let's check it out. This one came equipped with, you know, 8 gig of memory. We just got 8 gig in the 56 gigabyte version. They hooked you up. You got the MacBook Air branding here. You got the Apple logo branding here. All right, let's just get into it. You know how Mac does it. Ooh. Why did I just smell that? All right, and as soon as you open up, here it is. In all its glory, we got the M1, the new M1 chip MacBook Air in the gold. It is rather rosy, but that's all right because it's for the wifey. Woo-wee. Okay, you only get to do that once. All right, let's check it out now. Right off the bat, we're gonna let's check out the ports we got on this joint. You know what I'm saying? We got, right here, you got the 2 USB 4, which are backwards compatible with the USB 3 ports. You got 2 of those joints, and on the other side, you got an audio jack, which is cool. You know, plug your headphones in. You don't need a dongle for that. Let's see what we got here in the box. You know, you come with the Apple paperwork and all that good stuff. Oh, they even gave, you got the rose gold Apple joints, you know what I'm saying? I only usually see the white, you know what I'm saying? We don't never use them though, but still. All right, there's some papers and stuff in there, you know. Then you got your 30-watt charger adapter joint. And then you got your cords to charge them up, right? And these are the USB 3, the Thunderbolt joint. So here we go. Take that off. Don't need this anymore. We will be charging this joint up tonight and getting busy to, you know, open it up, see what it's like for you. And that's all we got with the box. Cool. All right, so let's put all that to the side and let's get to the main event. And this is what a lot of people have been talking about when it comes to this MacBook Air with the new M1 chip is the that's all you had to do, huh? Just open her up. Yes, and she's on. You got the original MacBook chime. That's back. That's cool. Ooh, man, I'm digging the colors though. You know what I'm saying? It's lit right here. Big thing about this M1 MacBook Air that is a game changer for me and the family is just because, like I said before, we were doing a lot of creating on iPad. Now, iPad has become very powerful. As you know, just a year ago, they came out with these iPads that are really killing the game. You're able to do anything on them. They're very great optimized. So I've been doing a lot of our video editing, even some audio production. Now that they have these MacBook Air with the M1 chips, they're able to do everything that an iPad could do, basically. So, I mean, right now that might not sound crazy to some of you guys that haven't been on the iPad train, but let me tell you, that's the game changer, because really we were done with the MacBooks lineup. Only reason I really went for this MacBook, honestly, this time is because I got it from my wife. My wife's in real estate. Some of her systems just weren't mobile friendly, so they needed another operating system for them to work correctly. And since she's a Apple girl, you know, we had to do the MacBook. But now the game changer is that all of those apps that we were using on the iPad, we can now use on the MacBook. That should be very seamless for our creativity and how we use, you know, all of our devices. So, game changer. You know, the reason why we didn't go with the Pro instead of just the MacBook Air is because, honestly, guys, there's no big difference between this and the MacBook Pro. The only biggest difference that they're having, that they're kind of stating, is that the MacBook Pro has a fan in it. I think that's the biggest difference. I'm not sure if it's battery life. I heard it because this one has a great battery life as well. I'm not sure if it's about the battery life. Y'all can leave that down in the comments and correct me if I'm wrong. But what I understand, the only thing that's different is a fan. And I mean, how bad do you need a fan? I mean, this is going to stay quiet. I mean, I understand if you're like doing hours and hours and hours upon editing, and you're doing audio production, and you're recording people, and you got to go ahead. For the, I mean, my wife does real estate. She should be able to be fine with this out in the field for the longest. You know, come home, still have some battery. I hop on it, do some editing for some YouTube videos. We all living great. All right, so that was one. That's another big thing. So we got battery life, greater battery life. You know, M1 chip, definitely letting you be creative across all your devices and platforms. All around, I think you'll be able to do everything you need to do on it, whether that's edit video, you doing papers, I don't know, you got a business you're running. This should be, you shouldn't need more than this. You can get into the game of editing very easy, just editing through apps on your MacBook. And so I think it's a game changer. We're going to put this to good use. I'll probably edit this whole video on this, and we'll just kind of show you how it works out. So, I mean, everybody let me know, man. If you think it's a game changer, the new M1 MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, whatever one you got, you went and picked up, let me know. What do you think? Is a game changer, or if it's just the same old same? How you feeling? Put it in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace.